Put it down on the box.
With a blood clot.
Put it in the box.
Move your ass.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
What's up, guys? As you can see right now, I'm in a supermarket. I've been on there with me. She have no idea some there. We have a big surprise for her. I want to tell you what the surprise, but I want to know say before I tell you, I can keep a secret. So tell me so I can keep a secret so I can make sure I tell you what's going on. So Abbi always wanted a puppy. Recently her sister there said, yo, she knows somebody who sell puppy. And you know, if we're interested, and I'm interested, yes, but I say no, too early. I wait until Abbi's birthday so we can get it and surprise her with it. But our sister now insists, say, yo, we need to get it now. So apparently, it might happen today. It'll be a cute. I never tell what type of dog get until you see the dog on itself. So I buy the dog feeding and make sure she that video. Though Abbi don't see that video, I make sure she don't see it. Because more when she see the dog, more don't see how she gonna react. But this was all our sister idea. Remember people, you cannot tell Abbi about this, you know. Please do not tell Abbi about this. Alright guys, so I reach home for like an hour now. And the person just called me and say, yo, I'm forward. I've been in the kitchen, she had about porridge with me and her brother. So I feel like I forgot blindfold her. Cause when them come at the gate, I don't want to see nothing. I make them blindfold her until I have to stay. So and then we carry the puppy. Make you see it. Let's go. Alright guys. So people them outside are waiting now. Abbi, just don't move from where they please. Don't move. Just wrap your hands now. We have enough time. Alright, she look like she did. Yeah, she good. She look good. Calm down, man. Yeah, I know. Now go to them now. Abbi, don't do that for them.
Alright. You say you want to put me up back here. Look like a madman. This is not right, no time. I don't know what up to it. Oh, if Cap ever fuck himself. Alright? I'm not wear dirty cap. I'm a knife there. Because I never frig himself in it today. Alright. The boy really put me up back here. I keep up to find so we're up to you. And the boy that table him up to you. They will take him for and then him say, I don't take him for. So we say, you don't have to give back the dirty boy for. If you ever think about putting back camera, sir, we make a sad mistake. I don't know what I'm saying, sir. I don't know what I'm saying, sir. I don't trust people come blind for me, certain way. Watch, I feel like people over me. Jesus Christ. Devil is a liar. Go back to the pit of hell, Satan. No doubt now go walk past me. You can't see, you know. Move. Yes. Can't come see him, feel you. Them some are right, it's right. I hear some end and you want to come put back camera and them some are don't right. I didn't even have a brazier. Lord Jesus, I don't even have a brazier. I have a pump back camera. A good thing I suppose.
Alright.
Yeah? Keep on what?
Alright, one box. What the box? What the
Yeah,
box, no?
Yeah, I'm afraid. Yeah, I'm afraid. Yeah.
Alright, what the box? Alright, no, put that in the box.
Yeah, who that trust you? Yeah,
Put it down on the box.
with a blood clot. Trust
Put it in the box.
Move your ass.
Abbi, may I ask you
I'm
again?
not put it in here.
Take a blindfold then.
Eh?
Take a blindfold.
That's right.
That was a surprise.
Hello, puppy.
Yeah, so that was. This was not my job alone, it's actually sister.
I don't know. she for true, because she said she don't want no more puppy. Tell me what you want. I got some. I might not buy anymore. I said, you can't put my puppy. Hello, puppy. What am I going to name him?
No, that's up to you.
You got me here all over the place because the breeze are blowing, so.
So yeah, Abbi just cussed me off a while ago.
Cuss him off because he could have at least fix me ear. You know, because when I see him surprise me enough time already. And you know, even though some of the time I look good, some never have to him never have to tell me, so fix your ear, I'm going to surprise you with something, you know. But him could have at least, bad to bad, talk truth, but to them long down so. Me ear well under cap and so, them some of them right, them some of them right. So now I have to look, at least look presentable on camera. You know, this is my son, this is my son.
So you feel about him?
What was that? I'll give it this.
Your sister.
Thank you, dirty latte answer. Yeah. I just said she never want a puppy, you know. Oh, I see one now. Because I say she never want what you call him dog there.
Mongrel?
Mongrel, that's what she call him. She want pretty dog.
Oh.
Me like any dog, you know, any little puppy. Once you have puppy and some, hello.
Comment down below.
Yeah,
what
guys,
should we
suggest
name
some name.
This puppy.
Yeah.
What should we name this puppy?
Look at him again. What should we name him?
I've been on dog outside at all.
No, dog outside. That's so Fredo they end up dead.
True. Fredo go there said I eat rat pies and people set up for them rat.
For them rat,
So Fredo lost his life that way. What you mean?
People were excited, but not I were excited. At first, we actually, how we call him Poodle?
Yeah.
Shih Tzu?
Pokemon?
Poodle? I take picture with him right now for the gram. Follow me for the gram. I'm attached in on the big layer, so.
Oh boy.
Oh, Papa, don't run. Come back.
Dog, they want to go sleep with me now. I will come and confront him and make it back.
There he is.
Dog, not busy about nobody right now. Oh, no twinning, man. Man. Okay, yeah? Dog, no camera shy. Twinning. I've been a new puppy.
So guys, as I said before, the name with the most comments, with the most likes. If my actually like the name with the most likes, we suggest it for them. Good body puppy. So
But it's a male puppy.
It's a male, guys.
I'm not some name like Twinkles and everything in the comment section.
You know what? I'm gonna name him Roof.
Oh, where you go with that, man?
One lie down beside you. You try to tell my dog already, Capo?
The dog know to be the owner. Are you vexed?
Yeah.
She vexed. Jealous mother, Abbi. Wow, the dog can't love me too. No problem.
No.
That's yeah. I'm soon gone anyway, so the dog have you all by himself. All by himself.
So guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Subscribe to Abbi's Madness.
Me, you're good guy.
And make sure y'all subscribe to Capo's TV.
That dirty boy, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Until then, AC gang is
with a new puppy.
out.
Out. Bye.
You know, after
I
people
want to be hungry. You want a parrot?
Abbi's in a happy place again. And something there? Yes, people, so that's what Abbi love. Abbi love our puppy already. You already love her. Dogs, animals can actually feel love, you know, so them already Abbi love her. So they might, hey, my step on him going on.